So Arsenal 6. Lons 0. All the way back on the Eurostar. Adios. And au revoir. Au revoir. Now that, my friends, is something I can celebrate. So it is what it is. 1 week may be good, 1 week maybe you know the rest. I big up to everybody inside. We are smoking that Lons pack. This might be the last cigarette I have for a few days. I've got a wisdom tooth being taken out tomorrow. And apparently, you're not allowed to smoke for a little while. But listen, big up to everybody inside, man. Listen, can you see how happy I am? Look at my vibes. Vibes FC. We're on the Suaves. Big up, Suaves. Pack 6-0. Celebration settings. Flew as you're in the bin. And I know you're going to clip this as well. You are in the bin. How dare you do me dirty like that? How dare you do me dirty like that? Yeah, picking that 29's goal as the clip you put out on your Twitter account. You absolute wrongin'. Yeah, you wrongin'. The other 5, go and clip. In fact, I'll clip them myself. Cheers. Anyway, smash the likes up. Kenny, Jez, Matty, player ratings. The vibes are endless tonight. That was a proper performance. Like, real talk. Yeah, real talk. I'm just going to get it out of the way real quick. Tomiyasu, man of the match. I know he got subbed at halftime, but Tomiyasu, man of the match. That guy, that was his best performance ever since he's got to this football club. Yeah, that was his best performance ever. Yeah, I don't know what he done today. He was just on smoke. Yeah, he was on smoke. That first 25 minutes, yeah, that was throwback to this lot behind me. Yeah, this great 5 players behind me. It was a throwback to that. It was a throwback to that. That first 25 minutes is exactly what I've wanted to see all season. Why can't we do that every week? Do that every week. We've got the facilities for that, big man. We have the facilities. I know Lons were poor, yeah, but we made them look poor. Let's just have this right. Yeah, let's just land the minerals. Yeah, let's land the minerals. Let's have it right here. We made them look trash from the get-go. Yeah, the tempo was high. We were buzzy. We were hype. Yeah, it was just free-flowing football. We got the first goal. Fair play. Well done. 2-2. I'm not feeling that celebration. I can't lie. Yeah. Oh, you're so negative. Whatever. Yeah, but it was just the perfect night. The perfect night. The second half, cool, whatever. We'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, but that first half, especially that first 25 minutes, that first 25 minutes is the best football I've seen under Arteta. Yeah, and I know everyone's going to go on a tangent. Oh, it was amazing. It was great. It was great. Yeah, I'm on board, bruv. I am on board with all of you tonight. I am a top gooner tonight. Yeah, I am a top gooner tonight. Yeah, I am a top gooner tonight because you know what? I put on Monday, I did my podcast with Kenny and Jez. Big up both of them. Yeah, I did my podcast with them, and the title was rubbish game or saying win. I'll celebrate when I won. Tonight I'm celebrating. And the reason I'm celebrating is because I've got something to celebrate. That is what I've wanted to see all season. That right there is what I expected to see going into this season. And yes, I know you can't do it every single game, etc., etc. And there's certain games, Man City, we had to stink it in that game. You can't play football against them. They'll beat you. Yeah, that's just cool. We all understand that. Yeah, we'll fully take playing negative football against them to get a win against them. And we did that. Fair play. He did that. Well done. And I cheered that as well, by the way. Yeah, I cheered the Martinelli goal off of Ake's mush. But anyway, my point is, yeah, you can't do it every week. But that tonight was almost like the shackles were off. It was like he sent them out there and said, just go and blitz them. Just go and have fun. Go and play football. And you can see that when footballers are not conditioned, yeah, not under duress, not under like restrictions of you have to stay in your zone and you have to stay in the half spaces and all of this rubbish and all these terminologies people are coming out with. When you've got footballers that are very good footballers. We have got some very good footballers. We see that tonight. Saka was brilliant tonight. Yeah, Martinelli was brilliant tonight. Jesus, oh my days. I think that guy's still sliding. I don't know whose DMs he's sliding in, but he's still sliding. Yeah, that guy is still sliding. Maybe he slid all the way across the channel, yeah, back to France. I don't know. Yeah, the lad that came on for them as well, I think he was from Uzbekistan. I don't know whether the dad's waiting in the dressing room to punch up our players and that. You know, them mad MMA fighters and that. Yeah, but that kid came on and started kicking everyone like crazy. But 6 different goal scorers. First 25 minutes was like watching the Invincibles. Yeah, watching the Invincibles. That was just wow. What are we watching here? Like, I want to see that going forward. And we can do it. We have the facilities for that, big man. We can do that. Let me finish smoking the Lons pack. We can do that. And I want to see that more often this season because people get on to me all the time. Oh, you're so negative, you're so toxic, whatever, whatever. I hear it every day, whatever. It's just water off a duck's back. But the fact is when you're playing the football that we've played and people are saying it's controlled football, yeah, it is very difficult to then turn it on. Yeah, tonight we turned it on. Cool. We have turned it on tonight. But now do that for the rest of this year, this calendar year up until Christmas. Go and slap Wolves at the weekend. Go and slap Luton. Yeah, go and beat, is it Brighton? I think we got after that. Go and do the same to all 3 of them. Yeah, go and do the same to all 3 of them. Then get into that January window, that Christmas period before that. We've got Liverpool. I think we've got Villa. I think we've got Palace, Fulham. Yeah, I think we've West Ham. Yeah, we've got some tricky fixtures. And I don't want to see us playing this like slow, methodical, sideways, backwards. Declan Rice tonight. Yeah. He didn't look amazing tonight, did he? He was very, very good, by the way. Yeah, he was unreal. And that was one of his best performances for Arsenal tonight. Yeah, but he didn't look like the all singing, all done. Why? Because the rest of them turned up. Yeah, so he didn't stand out as much as he normally stand out. Yeah, and this is what I've been saying. Bukayo Saka tonight, that was one of his best performances of the season, if not the best performance of the season. Martinelli's been poor most of the season. Brilliant tonight. Absolutely brilliant. Odegaard, what a finish. Yeah, Jesus, what a finish. Yeah, what a finish. Yeah, even 29's goal. Well done, mate. Come on, you're in the right place at the right time. Yeah, right place at the right time. I'm cool with that. Just do your thing. I ain't celebrating your goals, but do your thing. Yeah, just keep doing it. Yeah, like I'm glad he made subs at half time. Yeah, bringing on Kivior, bringing on Ben White. Yeah, Tomiyasu is obviously going to be a key player for us going forward, hence why he subbed him. Yeah, and I'll tell you something right now, yeah, that was his best performance. He is my man of the match. Ain't even debatable for me. But the fact that we could pick 10, 11 man of the matches, I mean, the goalkeeper could have had a cigar on, couldn't he? Let's be real. We didn't really have a lot to do. I know they hit the post and all that, but a couple of shots straight at him and he caught them. Yeah, whatever. But again, yeah, we're sitting there and we're going, right, well, it could be him man of the match. It could be him man of the match. It could be him. That is what I want to see every week from my football team. And that is something that I will celebrate. That is something that I will cheer. And that is something that I will go, yo, I'm enjoying this. Because for 93% of last season, I was exactly like I was tonight. Exactly like I was tonight. That watch along, unbelievable. That was one of the best watch alongs I've ever done. And I've done a lot of watch alongs over 5 years. Yeah, 5 years, just over 5 years. 5 years and what, 1 week. Yeah, 5 years and 1 week. Yeah, I've done a lot of watch alongs. That was one of my most enjoyable watch alongs tonight. And why? Because we absolutely sourced out tonight. We turned it on. We played great football. Every single one of them to a man was quality. Yeah, obviously I had it on mute, so I don't know what the stadium was like. We're going to get Kenny's opinion in a minute. He was at the ground. I'm buzzing that you see a 6-0. Yeah, my boy Halimi, who does my TikTok, obviously there's no clips tonight, is at the game. Yeah, he went to the game tonight. I'm so buzzing you see a 6-0 tonight. I'm so buzzing. Yeah, anyone who was at that game, big up to you, man, because you have seen our best performance of the season. Not just because of the goals, but actually performances. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes tonight. Yeah, that defensive tackle, and he's like, yeah, he has been our best defender. And listen, I get on to him about bozo gene and this and that. And he has got the bozo gene. Sergio Ramos has got it. Look at the weekend. He got sent off. He asked the guy to go VAR to check so it weren't a yellow. Yeah, and he got a straight red. Like, come on. Yeah. He's been our best defender since the World Cup since the turn of this year, this whole calendar year. Yeah, as we sit here on the 29th of November, the 29th of November at 11:47 p.m. Spanish time, Gabriel Magalhaes has been our best defender this whole calendar year. Yeah, Saliba tonight, brilliant. Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely quality. Yeah, 35, quality. They were all brilliant tonight. Odegaard, I didn't really see him in the first 25 minutes when we were balling out so much. I think it was more the other players. But then he took his goal so well. What a goal. Because Jesus was putting him off and Jesus wanted to hit it. Yeah, and he obviously shouted him. He let it go. But then when you're shouting, you then maybe doubt yourself a little bit. Cool finish, man. Yeah, every single one of them tonight. Pat yourself on the back, lads. Yeah, that is what I want to see going forward. And that is what will make me happy. If I see them level of performances week in, week out, yeah, you'll see a more happy league gunner. Yeah, the more happy league gunner, by the way, still gets views. Yeah, hence why my watch along was still smashing it. Yeah, and hence why these fan cams will still smash it. But big up to everyone who's tuned in, man. And Terence Flowers, you are in the bin, my friend. And I'm going to clip my own 5 goal celebrations. Not the first one, the other 5 that you didn't. Adios, amigos. Yeah. Terry Flowers. Yeah. Terry Flowers. Entra en la basura, mi amigo, hijo de puta. Yeah, bin. Get in the bin. No, I shouldn't have said the he or I shouldn't have said that. Terry, I love you. Adios, laters. Bye.